Hi, magandang araw mga minamahal kong mga taga-subaybay. Handugan ko po kayo ng isang magandang awiting isinaplaka ng batikang mga awit na aking iniidolo na si Victor Wood. Awitin ko ang awiting Eternally. Wala naman po akong pambili ng gitara, kaya idadaan ko po sa aking bibig ang pagkumpas ng gitara. I've been loving you eternally. When a love that's true eternally. From the skies within my heart and team, I've always known the shine would shine when you were mine and mine alone. I've been loving you eternally. There be no one new, my dear, for me. Through the sky should fall, remember shall I always be forever true and loving you eternally. I be loving you eternally. There be no one new, my dear, for me. Through the sky should fall, remember I shall always be forever true and loving you eternally. Thank you for watching. Mabuhay po mga minamahal kong mga taga-subaybay.